So you might notice once you've created your views, you actually have this concrete hatch showing, and it can be showing up here in a floor plan. I haven't checked the sections, but it's probably showing up. Well, this is right. We want it to show up when it's cutting something. Let's go to elevation for a second. Yeah, so we don't really want to see this this concrete elevation. So starting with the floor plan, what you want to do is you want to find the edge of the slab. If you can't find it, often if you hide an exterior wall using HH on the keyboard, you can then click on the slab. You want to go to Edit Type, click Edit again, and then where this concrete lightweight is, if you change the fill pattern to actually just be nothing, and change this to white, and just for that. And you want to leave the cut pattern because it's fine if it cuts and shows concrete, but we don't want to see it in plan view because we want to see a nice crisp white view like that. Going over to our elevation, it's a strong likelihood that it's using a different structural material. So in this case, we'll just click right here, and we'll turn off this again to no pattern, and we'll make it white. So, we see that in that view, but when we actually, I'm just going to copy this section over, when we actually cut it, so going to section 1 for a second, you see how it shows up as white, and you can also see that the concrete floor actually shows up as concrete hatch. But if we go to section 2, you'll notice that we can actually see the concrete hatch.